Hello YouTube, I am Elli Noslin and today is Fend for Yourself Friday. This is episode 2 of Fend for Yourself Friday. So I feel like this show needs something extra. So I'll be making an apron to go along with the fending for myself. And I'm making the apron and also the Lolita headband. This is the material I'm choosing to make the apron. I choose this one because I want the feel of fairy tale-ish and like oh, the perfect example is Miriam X on TikTok. Oh my god, everything she makes just looks so magical and fairy tale-ish and soft life, and oh my gosh, like everything she makes I just have it in my favorite, just save. And I'm not gonna make it because maybe I might, maybe one of the things. So yeah, soft life, fairy tale with cottage core, that's the word I was looking for, cottage core. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and make this aesthetically pleasing for my TikTok audience. Okay, BRB. Hello YouTube. Okay. Come true quality. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. I am Elli Noslin, a seamstress, designer, artist, and today a cook. I'm pretty sure I already put a sewing video in front of this. Okay, sorry about that. I get distracted a bit too easily. So I guess I should show you the apron reveal right now. Let me go get it. So this is the outfit reveal. It's just so cute, man. It's cute as hell. I can't get a full body, but I'll add some pictures. Okay, today I'm making eggplant pizza. We talk about judging. Why are you judging? We talk about that. Don't worry, it'll taste nice. I hope. Looks like this. This is kind of heavy though. Okay YouTube, so the first thing I'm gonna do is cut up my eggplants. Jesus Christ. What I'm gonna do is cut it really thin so that it could be well seasoned, and after I bake it I won't get the bitter melon taste. I mean, I guess I can make a slice small. So, how dare you? Why would you do that? This is so bad. Oh no. Calm down, like it's not that deep. Okay, so I don't like eggplants. Well, I like eggplant when it's prepared a certain way. So what I'm gonna do with this eggplant, I'm gonna treat it like chicken in a sense. So this bottle of seasoning, you could get it from like the markets, regular schmegular seasoning blend. So I'm gonna take out my eggplant and I'm gonna put it in this so that I can put a seasoning blend and some pepper, some cayenne pepper, because I like pepper these days. I don't know why or how. And of course I'm gonna put some salt in this too. I don't want to do that during that. I want pizza, not no popsicle. I'm pretty sure after this I could reuse the seasoning because I mean it's eggplant, it's just a plant. And some pepper for that nice little kick. And I'll add some salt. Maybe a little more salt. Maybe a little more. Yeah, that's enough. And then I mix up that, yes, with my raw hand because it's like a seasoned chicken for real. Gosh, nice. I saw it no seasoning. Oh. Right, man, some this and you put that thing. So now I'm gonna put the eggplant away, let it soak up all the seasoning and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna start cutting up the potatoes. Tell you that I'm not shaving off the skin because I like the taste of potato skin. Put some pepper. But certain people in the house been complaining about the pepper, like grow up, just grow up. You know, I was just about to call the bluff that says, oh my god, can you not make your eyes water? Never mind. That wasn't funny, never mind. Never mind. Honest to God, I don't know how people make cooking look so aesthetically pleasing. Like the kitchen just look so on point, the ingredients look so nice. When I cook in, hopefully it is chaos. Okay, since you could barely call this enough honey for all these potatoes, I'm just gonna put some water in it and, you know, that wasn't very aesthetically pleasing of me. But the first things I'm gonna put up is peppers. Yeah. Masterful. Well, I wanna make something else. I wanna treat it like the mouse tool. What's good? With the tuna, I want to make, I don't know what to call that, but I'm making it. Before I season the tuna, I am going to go prep the potato. Before I cut up the ingredient, Jesus Christ, can I not English? Before I cut up the seasoning to season the tuna and make sure it's not fresh, I'm gonna go put the potatoes in the oven. Hi. Did you miss see my beautiful face? Yes, that's the correct answer. That's the only answer. Anyways, y'all, I forgot to do the chicken. It has to be fried, and as you can tell, it's already well seasoned, boy. So I'm gonna cut it up in strips, and then I'm gonna fry it. Okay, YouTube, so while the chicken fries, sorry I put that low, I'm gonna get the eggplant ready. So I'm gonna put it in this. I thought I had two, but we don't, so I'm gonna use this on another one. the oven she goes. So what I want to do now, you remember the thing I said I was going to keep a secret from you? Yeah, scratch it, it's not a secret anymore. Well, y'all won't know what I'm doing with it, so I'm going to boil this up. What is this called? This is the lasagna strips thing? Yeah. I'm going to put it to boil. Look at this huge pot I use. If mommy see me using this big pot with all this water, oh boy, that's just a bitch. Okay, so now that everything is pretty much being done, now, as I was saying, you can't have a meal without dessert. So now I'm gonna go make some dessert, and I'm using a shortcut. I'm using pancake mix. That's the shortcut. No, you cannot judge me. No judge zone. Okay, this is probably too. And I put some orange zest in this. Just a little bit. I'll crack just like one egg. Now I cut some butter. That looked like it was too much butter. And then I put this in the microwave. I can't even spit this up. And while that's in the microwaving, I put the rest of the evaporated milk. So I'm gonna season the cake. I'm gonna add like some nutmeg, cake spice, cinnamon, you know. Look at it! What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some sugar on a pot and make it get like, I forgot the main part, hold on. Now I take some mashed potatoes. I take the mashed banana. Okay, so now we could do almost everyone's favorite part, decorating the pizza. Let me get the ingredients. And now I'll pop this back in the oven. Ooh. Now we're gonna do the lasagna thing. YouTube. So what I do now is I take this cute and this. Yeah, right in the bottom. Melted sugar straight from the pot, and I put some, so I have this, my mixture. This is the finished plate. Bon appetit!